Hi, this is Scott from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 VF Holden Commodore Evoque with a 3.6 litre LPG LWR engine and an automatic transmission. The stock number for this vehicle is 2661C. There's a look at that LPG motor, LWR. There is the VIN number and all of the other codes. There's 16-inch wheel mag with good tire. Tidy right front door. Very nice right door mirror. Right rear door. It's very tidy. Very nice right rear wheel mag with good tire. Very tidy right tail light. Very nice left tail light. Tidy rear bumper. Very nice boot lid. Very nice left rear wheel mag with good tire. Very nice left rear door. Very nice left front door. Very nice left door mirror. Tidy left front wheel mag with good tire. Let's have a quick look at the interior. As you can see, it has electric windows, also has electric mirrors. Very nice dash. Airbags have gone off. Black cloth seats. Very tidy black vinyl steering wheel with audio and cruise controls. As you can see, this car's just done 22,000 Ks. Has multimedia system with Bluetooth, USB and auxiliary. Heated AC controls, auto shifter, very tidy center console and console lid, tidy glove box. The stock number for this vehicle is 2661C. If you have any questions, please go to totalpartsplus.com.au. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, where you get to see new cars coming through all the time. Thanks for watching.